What's up, guys? My last video on the walnut blast has been finished. I also went over my impressions on the Doc Race single turbo kit and gave you some insight as to why I switched to that kit from my M&P Stage 3s. But as you can see behind me, we got the Doc Race single turbo kit installed. So let's take a look at what that looks like in the car. Fresh motor with the turbo kit installed. I went through and did the valve cover gasket, oil pan, walnut blasted it, and now we've got it in the car and everything is hooked up. Very impressed with the fitment of the turbo kit. Downpipe going down that way. Let's see if we can get in here and see some wastegates. A little bit difficult. Wastegates are both down there though. Got the intake started here with the charge pipe on, but really this thing is ready to fire up minus the intercooler piping, which isn't 100% necessary. So before we get too far in reassembling this, I'm gonna go ahead and try and start this. That way if something doesn't work, we can dive into it without having to rip absolutely everything apart. But as you guys can see, this looks badass. I got the Precision Raceworks ignition coil kit here. I had that with the twins. It's not bolted down right now. With the top mount, it's really close. I think I might have to trim a little bit off of that bracket, but that has nothing to do with the Doc Race single turbo kit. Everything went together pretty smoothly. My buddy Lee has been a huge help here. He's put in a lot of the work. But really, this new to me motor has about 90,000 miles on it. It's been sitting, and after blowing up my old one with about 120,000 miles on it, not easy miles, but miles nonetheless, we picked this one up to replace it after dropping compression. And I added the single at the same time. Some of you were asking, why did you take the motor out to install this when you said the twins? That's why you upgraded, because it'd be difficult to replace if something went wrong. But no, I blew that motor up, so I was forced to take it out and swap this new one in. With that being said, I think in a few minutes here we're gonna crank this over and see what happens. We've pretty much got it all ready to rock, and that's all I got for now. Well, she's going whenever you're ready. Well, it started running. There's some smoke, but I don't know. I can't tell where this smoke is coming from.
Well, that's probably all the oil that I dumped in the cylinders.
We can keep giving it a run. So we ended up getting it to turn over and actually start, but I wasn't recording when that happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart the car. You guys can see it's kind of cold out here, so I'm not gonna be able to drive it obviously, but I want to show you guys what it sounds like after I start it up and give you a walk around. So let's do that real quick. as you can see, it purrs like a kitten. I'm real happy with this. I'm stoked on this. This is what we're dealing with now. This is real cold winter. But yeah, let me kill this. That's it though. So we got a night's worth of work left. Put the front end of the car back on, and I'm probably gonna end up driving it in the snow a little bit. So I know I'm real close to the 1,000 subscribers that I need on the YouTube channel. But be sure to subscribe now. It's running. I'm gonna have it driving in a few days, and I want to give you guys basically a ride along there and continue on that journey. So I still have to update the flash to a single turbo flash. I have JB4, I'm using MHD. I'm not sure if I'm set on that yet or if I might move towards the boost box, but either way, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have some racing videos. The No Fly Zone half-mile event in Illinois has been scheduled, and I'm signing up for that. So if you guys have seen my other video on stock turbos of me basically hot lapping that event, I'm gonna be doing that again with this car. So like the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.